Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. I've been having a lot of fun doing a lot of the wrecked ring pours lately. So we're going to do that again today with another color palette that I really like. So let me show you my colors real fast. This one is Artists Loft Red Ochre. My paint is all mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish and paint, and a little bit of water as needed, and Floetrol. This one didn't need any water. This one is Golden's Dyke Brown. This one needed water. Beautiful color though. This one is DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels in neutral beige, and I did have a little bit left of iridescent pearl left, and I put it in there too. So it's just a tiny bit lighter than the regular neutral beige, but it's a very nice color. It's neutral, which is cool. I have a tiny bit left of my DecoArt Metallics 24 karat gold, very little amount left, and a little tiny bit left of Chroma Molten metals in aged bronze. This one is Liquitex Basics Ultramarine Blue. I'm not sure how much of that we're going to use. We may or may not. I don't know. I got to see how it goes. Okay, so let's layer our cup. What do we want in the center? I think I want to start with just a tiny bit of gold in the middle since we don't have much. We put a little bit of the neutral beige in. I'm going to go with some of the red ochre now. Hello, Gail. Gail is the wind. This is the aged bronzed. And I'm going to put a layer of the Van Dyke in. We're going to go back to the neutral beige. Go with the red ochre again. Some more gold. I think I want to put some of the blue in now. Let's go with some of the aged bronze again. Not much left in there. Okay. Back to neutral beige. Red ochre. Some gold. Another layer of Van Dyke. Ochre again. Beige. Gold. Some blue. A little bit of the Van Dyke in there now. And we're going to go in with this aged bronze again. Red ochre. Dyke. There's going to be a lot of brown in this. Gold. We'll do that more of this. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. We used all our paint up. Okay. So let's go ahead and do our pour. We're starting to get a little bit of sun, so I'm going to go fast. I'm going to take what's left of my Van Dyke Brown and thin it out and put this down as a base coat. So that's just water. Get it nice and thin. And I always want to put my base coat down after I've already layered my cup, so it's not sitting there getting dry while I'm layering the cup. So put this down. It is thin. Good. Like chocolate frosting cake. I love this color though. Beautiful, deep, like espresso. Real espresso. Good espresso. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just wants to give, we're going to give our paint something to slide around on. And make sure we don't have any white canvas showing through. And we're good. Okay. Let's pour this baby. Okay. So we're going to do a FantasyPour, StraightPour, RingPour thing. Here we go. That's pretty with the gold and white on either side of it. Stop there. And I dropped it. Okay. All right. We'll just give that a second to settle. That's really pretty. Get my hands off. I realize it's kind of crazy since I'm about to touch a painting, but it's gonna be slippery. Okay, let's turn this around and kind of see where it wants to go. Off that edge. And now the paint's all here, so I want to bring it this way a little bit to get down to the cover of this corner. And we're going to go over the edge there. And bring it back this way a little bit. And the paint is now down there near that corner. So I'm going to go off that corner. And bring it back and let it go down off that one. Forgot to wreck it, didn't I?
I was wondering.
I like this up here with the blue. I didn't think I was going to. Let's see. We could wreck it now.
Those blue things look like hot rod flames. Can you take it all that way and
stretch
open
that out?
Up?
Open this side up and really stretch it out. little bit more of that bottom edge off. Okay. Kind of cool. It's like hot rod flames almost. Pretty neat. Crazy about this. So. Get more of that off.
Keep going if you can, because it'll just open up the hard flames more.
Yep. It's starting to move a little more now. Okay. So this is our hot rod flames. Unexpected twist. But that's pretty cool. And I really like the red ochre. I like how it looks playing with the gold and the Van Dyke. Very pretty together. And I wanted to see what the blue would do with all of those. And now I know. So, it's pretty cool. I like this section over here, this corner. So this is beautiful over here, where it's really stretched. And there's a lot of the layers showing through. This is very pretty. Very cool. Kind of like Space Feathers again, with that sort of layered look. But a different color palette. I don't know if you can see it in the sun. This is so pretty right there. Cool. So what should we call it? Hot rod flames?
Yeah, hot rod flame. Orange crate. There was a hot rod in the 60s that was that orange color.
Ah.
That was called orange crate.
Okay. Okay, so this one will be the hot rod orange crate.
This one might not be for sale.
Okay, this one might not be for sale.
You want to keep it?
Okay. Cool. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I will show you when this one's dry. Okay, so this is a few days later. I love how this one turned out. It's so cool. I really, really like this depth in here. It's beautiful with that red ochre and the Van Dyke Brown and the neutral beige with the pearl in it and that blue. Really, really pretty layering happening, like in Space Feathers. That's cool. I love this part. This corner is just gorgeous. And there's the red ochre and the Van Dyke Brown and the gold. Very cool. I think of all of it though, this part is definitely my favorite. I love how that's like spread out so much and you just see all those different layers with the little cells popping up. Really cool. So there's our hot rod flames. And HOA has claimed this one as his own. So, but this turned out really, really neat. I enjoyed this a lot. And this is, you know, when you stretch it and you keep stretching it and you keep stretching it, that's when you see all these beautiful parts open up inside. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can check it out on Facebook. You can also check out my Etsy shop. And if you enjoyed this and you'd like to be a patron of the arts, there's a link in the description box for a PayPal me. So thank you so much for hanging out, guys. I'd love to hear what you think. If you have any hot rod aficionados in your life, let me know what you think in the comments. I will see you guys for the next one. Bye-bye.